So, hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all. My name is Swati Yadav, and I am the Aptitude trainer at online learning that provides free placement preparation to students preparing for their placements. So, by the thumbnail, you must be knowing that we are going to discuss about the Capgemini 2025 examination preparation. So, in this very video, we'll be discussing about the students who are eligible for Capgemini exams, and then what is the pattern Capgemini is going to ask. Okay, so in this very page you can see which students are eligible: BE, BTech, ME, MTech, as well as MC and MSc, but from these two branch. Okay, from CS and IT. The student should have no active backlogs during the time of assessment as well as during the time of joining, and also they should have successful completion of full-time degree with the stipulated time frame within the time means. So they are offering two types of analyst job in which they will be giving 4.25 LPA and 5.75. Okay, in which 25k would be the one time bonus given to you, and secondly they are appointing as senior analyst and they would be giving 7.5 lakhs. Okay, so now moving towards the exam pattern of Capgemini. So in the first assessment you will be asked some technical MCQ questions, second you will be having the written English test, and thirdly the cognitive assessment. This all belongs to your first assessment only. So in this technical MCQ questions you will be asked questions related to technical, like related to languages you have studied and related to OOPS and every other languages. And also you don't have to worry because there are ongoing live sessions on our channel. I think it mostly happened during the night time from like 8:30 or 9. Okay, so you can join these live sessions. These are daily live sessions. And about the written English test, we are going to have one video soon uploaded on our channel, how to write the English test. In this English test you will mostly be given a topic, and related to that topic you have to write the essay. Okay, in about like they will be giving you like in approx they will be giving you the minimum range as well as the maximum range in which you have to write that essay. Thirdly, we will be having the cognitive assessment, that is the game based aptitude. Capgemini is going to ask the game based aptitude. Okay, they are not going to ask you normal mathematical questions, normal numerical ability questions. They are going to ask you game based aptitude. And so second assessment will be going to have of the coding assessment. In this, guys, I think mostly you will be given two questions. Okay, one will be of easy level, second will be of moderate level, and you don't have to worry because we are having the live sessions related to this also, so you can go and join those live sessions. And so yeah, you will be eligible to write those codes, write the coding in any of the languages given to you here is C, C++, and Java. In any language you can write the code. Then we'll be having third assessment, that is spoken English assessment. And if you don't know about this like about this test, you can go through this video which is provided, okay, in our channel. You can just go through this video and see what type of questions is asked. And the fourth assessment is the technical interview, and these both assessments will are going to be in virtual mode. You can see here these both assessment are going to be in virtual mode. So yes, moving towards Capgemini game based aptitude, in this video we will be discussing games asked in Capgemini. Okay, and also not that PUBG type of or Free Fire game is going to be asked. Okay, in these games the main thing is to like they want to see your thinking. Okay, they want to know about how you think about the like how you, what is your thinking. Okay, they want to know about that. So they will be giving your game they will be giving you games based on that only. So in this total there are total 24 games, and 4 games are chosen at random. Okay, you won't choose, they will choose for you. Okay, 4 games are selected at random for you, and you have to play those games. And in those games now, see, these are the 6 games here we will be discussing. And in these games you will be having different levels. Okay, level 1 will be very easy, level 2 will be somewhat between easy and moderate, then level 3 moderate, and this is the way you will move level by level. Okay, And then yes, also you will be given 5 to 6 minutes to solve each level. Okay, so you don't have to worry, there are some easy tricks, okay, so that you can solve those games. And also you just have to visualize everything and you can easily solve those questions. So in this see, you can see the first is, all these games are given in our PPT. Okay, so we'll be going through the PPT, we'll be solving each of the every games, so don't worry. See, in this questions now, you in this here in this you will be given a 4 to 4 4 cross 4 array or 5 cross 5 array, in which there will be different geometrical shapes, and there will be a sudoku. That in sudoku, what we have the rule that the same column and the same row should not have the same number. Okay, so that the same that very column and that very row shouldn't have the same geometrical shape. Okay, now, so yes, like this only we have different games. Like, see, in this digit challenge one, what they will be giving, that their operation, see, you have to apply different operations on numbers and you have to get the result. Okay, so let's see, something multiplied by something minus something is equals to 2. So you have to get which number multiplied by which number, when we then you have to minus it with any number and you have to get the answer as 2. Okay, then you will be given switch challenge, there will be different switches arranged, and then you will be having the final result as differently arranged. You have to give the numbers to them. Okay, and then we have motion challenge. In this motion challenge you will be given like this motion challenge you have played, I think most of us have played this game. So yes, let's move towards our game. So see, first game is our the digit challenge. See, in this question given, enter the unique digits that satisfy the given equation, something divided by something multiplied by something. So solving these questions, firstly remember the BODMAS rule. Okay, we have to do keeping it in mind. Okay, that whether firstly division is done, then multiplication is done, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, never forget about the BODMAS rule. Secondly, what is the main thing, like what will be my thinking, what will be my approach to this question, that something I should get here only 2, so that if I multiply it by 1 it comes as 2. So what number comes in my mind is 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 multiplied by 1 is, it becomes 2. So I'll choose 4 as my first number, 2 as my second number, and 1 as my third number. So I'll be getting my answer. Okay, and also let me know in the comment section if you have any other answers also. And one thing more which I would like to tell you, that see, you can choose only unique digits. Okay, this is the first thing. And the second thing is that, see, I cannot choose a number twice. Like I cannot do here 4 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. I cannot choose this number because this comes twice. Okay, 4 will come twice, because when you will do, see, we cannot show you here. Okay, we cannot do animations and show. So what will happen now, when you will press 4, that button will get like it is being pressed. Okay, that won't be eligible now. Okay, so you can choose one number one time only. So my approach was this to this question. Sorry, my approach was this. Let me know in the comment section if you have some other approaches also. So yes, let's move to our second game. So see, this was the this is the Sudoku game. In this, what we have to do now, we should start eliminating these options. So what will be remaining with, we will mark that as an our answer. So can you see, we are having triangle, so we cannot have triangle over here. Okay, we cannot have triangle, so just cut. Don't cut triangle because we cannot have triangle over here. Yes, we cannot have triangle. And you can see square also, so we cannot have a square in this row. Okay, so we are left with two signs, plus as well as circle. So see guys, can we have plus over here? Can we have plus? No, because we are having plus in this very column. Plus is already present, so we cannot have plus over here. So that means we will have plus over here and the circle over here. So what is your correct answer? This is your correct answer. So let's move towards our next question. See, in this what we are given is, what is the missing part over here, what you should put here. So see, we cannot have a square here. Okay, we cannot have a square here. Can we have a square over here? No, we cannot have a square over here. So these two places are skipped by the square, and here we are already having the circle part. So the only part, which only shape we are left with, is our square. So square is our answer. See, in this in these type of games now, one thing is also measured, that how shortly you are answering. Okay, how much less time you are taking, that is also optimized, and that is also calculated. Okay, so this you have to also keep it in your mind, that in a very short span of time you have to clear, you have to go to different levels. Okay, you should not take much time. So yes, this is our switch challenge. So see, what is this asking? This switch is here, this switch comes here. What is the order of your arrangement? Okay, so what we'll do for this question, I will just give them markings, give them the numbers, to the give the switches their numbers. Okay, let us start from 1 2 3 4. So I'll give the square as 1, the triangle as 2, the plus as 3, the circle as 4. So now see that where these shapes are coming. Okay, just mark according to their number. Okay, see, I can see plus is here, so I'll write 3 over here, because at here this was at third place, so I'll just write 3. Triangle is at the same place, so I'll write 2. Circle is at fourth place, I'll write 4, and our square is at first place, so I'll write here 1. So can you find any matching? Yes, this is your answer. Let's move towards our next question. Okay, in this question you have to find out this missing part. Okay, so can you see in this question that every row is having a cross symbol, every row is having a cross symbol. So this is very clear that we cannot have a cross symbol in this place. Okay, so the only option left to us is fifth, but we'll check all the options. So see, we cannot have this, because we cannot have this, because this is having two cross, we will have two crosses in our third and fourth row, we will have two crosses. Okay, so we cannot take it. We cannot take 2, because here it will be having cross, and we cannot have cross, we cannot have two crosses at row 4. See, this pattern is so totally wrong, because it is not matching our shape. So this pattern is totally wrong. We cannot have 4, because we are already having a cross at in our third row. So the only option we are left with, fifth. Okay, so what is the shape we are going to fill? This, without any crosses. So yes, let's move towards our next game. So can you see in this game what it is saying, that you have to find that odd one out. Okay, so can just calculate the number of plus. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We are having 9 plus symbols here. We are having 3 3 6 2 8. We are having 8 symbols here. We are having 7 here. We are having 6 plus symbols. We are again having 6 plus symbols. Then we are having 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. See, can you find the mistake? So this is the mistake. Here we should have 5 plus symbols. Okay, so what is your mistake? You are having the mistake at 5th position. So this is your answer. Okay, let's move towards our next question. So in this, you are being given these two grids. Okay, now which two of these grids follow the same rules? There are two grids. In these 4 grids, there are 2 grids which will be following these same rules or the same pattern. Okay, so any pattern, can you see over here? I can see that the diagonal element, if you can see that the diagonal elements of these both the grids are having the same element. Okay, see, all the all the shapes at the diagonal elements are same. Here circle, here we are having all the diagonal elements of the same shape, that is rectangle. So can you see the shapes where you can see the same diagonal elements? Yes, so our first one, first in this, no, in this, no, but in this, yes, we are having. So yes, your figure 1 and your figure 4 is your correct answer. So let's move towards our next question. So yeah, this is motion based. In this question, you will be given this blocks. So yes, I hope so every one of you have played this game. In this, what we have to do, we have to bring this ball, okay, at this place. Okay, we have to bring this ball in this black hole. Okay, So what we can do, and also the most important thing is that we have to take minimum number of steps to bring this ball to this place. Okay, so you can take your every step will be calculated. Okay, so what first step you can do is moving this place, this block over here, so it will come at this place. Okay, now what can you do? Just what we'll do, does just bring this ball to at this place. Okay, now see, okay, I can make a diagram. Okay, so that, yes, we are having that blue box at this place now. And now what I'm saying, that bring this ball at this place. Okay, so you will bring your ball over here. Now what I'm saying, just bring this green box at this place. See, this is your first step, step number 1. Then this is your step number 2. Just write in the diagram. As soon as we'll be moving forward, we'll write the steps. Okay, number of steps. So now we'll move this green block over here. So now this green block moves over here. So now what we'll do, we'll move this block over here. Okay, fourth. Now what you can do, move this block to at this place. 5. Just erase this so that we can see clearly what is happening. Okay, so we are having 5 total number of steps till now. Okay, now what you can do, just bring this down. Okay, here is our black hole. It can overlap, so don't worry about this. So this is our 6th step. Okay, now what you can do, you can just bring this block over here. You can just shift it one block. Okay, so what it will be, let me again erase it. So now what it will look like this. Okay, so 6. Now what you can do, just bring this ball down one step, that will come as 7. Bring this ball down here, 8. Bring this ball here. So in total 8 steps we brought this ball at its place. Okay, so I can say that this question was of level something between 3 to 4. This question was, okay, so every question was of some levels, but this question was, yeah, it took some more steps, more number of steps, but this was, I think this was the optimal solution. If you have some any other solution, just let me know in the comment section. And yes, this question was from something like level from 3 to 4. Okay, all these questions were of different levels, and I hope we'll be discussing some other game based aptitude questions in our next video. Till then, thank you guys.